A teen is fighting for his life after being shot with a crossbow bolt at a London. Police were called to Abbey Wood station in the southeast of the capital last night, where an 18-year-old lad was found seriously injured on a. The teen is believed to have been shot with a crossbow bolt, suffering a serious injury, a British Transport Police spokeswoman said. A crossbow bolt was involved and we are keeping an open mind as to how he sustained the injury while inquiry. Paramedics took the teen to hospital and his condition is believed to be life-threatening. Police say no arrests have been made. The station was closed for a short time to allow officers to conduct inquiries, but it reopened this morning. Detective Superintendent Sam Blackburn said, "We are at an early stage in our investigation and we are keeping an open mind as to exactly where this violent incident began." Following a number of inquiries throughout the night, we believe the man sustained his injury from a cross. I'd like to appeal to anyone who may have witnessed anything suspicious along Abbey Road and Wilton Road 45 p.m. and 10:20 p.m. to get in touch with us as soon as possible to assist the investigation. He added, "This was a shocking act of violence and I'd like to reassure the public we're doing all we can to find those Anyone with information can text BTP on 61016 or call 0800 40 50 40 quoting reference 341 of February 14, 2021. You can also call Crimestoppers anonymously on 0800 555 111.